Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to install Intellij IDEA on Windows 11. Before starting the installation, make sure that Java software is installed on your system. Java version. Well, I have the Java 26 version. Close this window. So, let's start the installation. We can search download Intellij IDEA from any browser, and in the search result you'll get this particular link from JetBrains website. Download Intellij IDEA. Click over there. Click Accept All. This is the JetBrains download page. On the left, we have the option to download the IDE, but there are a few important things to note. Suppose we want to install only the Community Edition. Do we have the option anymore? Let me show you that you need to click on this Other Versions page here. Different distributions are available from different years. By default it is showing 2026.1 as this is the latest version at the moment. If I scroll down, there used to be an option to choose between Ultimate and Community Editions and we could download them. JetBrains has changed this since 2026, there is no longer a separate Community Edition available. But the important thing here is that if you scroll further down to 2025.3, there also we don't get any separate editions. But in 2025.2 you will see Ultimate Edition and Community Edition. Let's scroll down a bit further. You can see that both versions are available here as well. So from 2026 onwards we will not have any different versions. But if we scroll down to the older versions, then yes, we can download this Community Edition separately. For older versions of Intellij IDEA, we used to choose between the Community and Ultimate Editions. That option is gone. JetBrains has merged two editions into one. Now there is no difference between the Community Edition and the Ultimate Edition. Just one installer, one Intellij IDEA. So do we have to pay now? The answer is no. Everything that was free in Community Edition is still free for personal and commercial use. And the good part is you get more free features than before. The earlier, full Java and Kotlin is there. Maven, Gradle, Git, Junit. Plus a new free Spring Boot Wizard, Spring and Jakarta highlighting, database plus SQL. All of them are present for free, whereas the Ultimate or the paid edition it has different additional features like Profiler, HTTP client, AI and other languages like JavaScript with a free 30-day trial. Now we are back on the download page for Windows. We can see all these options are there but no choice for Community and Ultimate. But if you really need the old Community Edition you need to scroll down further, and in that case you have to use 2025.2 or earlier version, not the newer ones from 2025.3. It's unified and that's what I recommend. The current one, and it contains all the free features that were available in the earlier versions. So scrolling to the top, downloading this X. Download completed. Right-click on this file. Run as administrator. The setup opens. Click on Next. By default it is installing in a specific location. Click on Next. Create desktop shortcut. Rest I am keeping as is. Next again. Clicking on Install now. This process will take some time. Now the setup is complete. Click Finish. Intellij IDEA is now installed on our system. Open this for the first time. Double-click this icon. Click Allow Access. Click on Skip Import. Clicking on New Project. So here I have to provide a location. I'm going to provide a dedicated directory name. I already have a dedicated directory here, so I'm replacing it. I wouldn't set it to default. This is the name that is provided to all Intellij projects. JDK26 is already installed on my system, so it has detected that add sample code is checked. Let me click on this advanced settings. There is nothing to change here. Click on Create. The project is still being analyzed initially, so it may take some time. I don't want to use the Pro version, so I am closing it off. Closing the trial as well. Let's wait for this to finish. Okay, now let's run this sample program, which contains a very simple for loop. Click the Run button and select the first option. So the program ran successfully and completed. So that's it. You have installed Intellij IDEA on Windows. You understand the new unified setup and you have built your first simple Java project. I hope this video will be useful for you. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.